Hello everybody, here's how you make a simple boss in Minecraft. This boss will just be a zombie with some armor on holding a totem. You can use it to practice PvP. It is unbeatable. It will never die unless you use /kill or are able to instantly kill them within one shot past their totem, which you can't do. So this is just more like a practice boss to just mess around with. Thanks to Marcel's World for giving me this idea, and here's how you make it. So these are the command blocks. This first one just summons in a zombie named boss. You can type this in the chat menu. You can put this in a command block, whatever. Make sure that boss is spelled like this. Capitalization is the same. This will just say summon a zombie whose name is boss on this command block. I have a lever just so I can summon in the zombie. Name is boss. I'm going to kill it now. That is the first command block just to summon in the boss. Now these four here, this little stack, this is to give it armor. So these are all repeat and all is active. And these are replace entity @e type equals zombie. You can also add name equals boss so that no random zombies will be having this. But something like that. Replace item entity type zombie name is boss. Slot.armor.chest 1 netherite chest plate. That will make them have a netherite chest plate. Once again, you can do name equals boss. And this is the legs, so this is a different command block, slot.armor.legs. I did diamond leggings. Since you can't give enemies enchanted armor, I just lowered the tier of it instead. These are repeat, always active. If we go up another, so once again, it's basically the same command block, but it says slot.armor.feet netherite boots. And finally, at the very top, this is just the one for the head. So now with all these, you summon in a zombie. It should just be wearing armor, but it probably won't have the totem, unless it somehow spawns with the totem. Now to go and give it the totem, we need another command block. This is repeat and always active. So what it looks like, /replace item entity type is zombie name is boss. Slot weapon offhand 1 totem _of _undying, just like that. That will give them the totem. And then finally, we have this long command, execute as @e type is zombie name is boss, that has the item totem of undying quantity 0, which just means does not have a totem. Then run the effect instant damage 100 true. What this does is whenever the totem is popped in survival mode, normally you would have about 2 hearts left, maybe 3 hearts. And the same would go for a zombie, but if you add that command block right here, then they will have full health and they will get a new totem, because this command always gives them a totem. So with this on, if you start to go and kill your zombie, you can hear the totem popping effect. Just like that. But he's still holding a totem. This can be useful for things like crystal PvP. If you want to do it with that, you could just do something like that. And the cool thing is that you do hear when they would have died because of the totem pop. But yeah, that is it for this tutorial. Hope you like it. This boss is unkillable unless you use kill @e. So be sure that you know how to use kill @e. Just this @e. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.